In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting an error where Roblox is not loading assets. So let's jump straight into it. So there's actually two steps to this tutorial. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got your browser window opened, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots. Now this is using a Google Chrome browser, so of course make sure you have Google Chrome installed. What you want to do is click on the three dots and come onto settings, and then from here what you want to do in the search box at the top, you just want to go ahead and type DNS. So this is going to bring up some options, and what you're going to want to do is click onto one that says security. From here what you're going to want to do is just scroll down, and basically you want to get to this advanced section down here, and where it says underneath, so you've got two options. What you want to do is select this button where it says with custom, and from the custom you want to click onto this to bring up a drop down box, and then change this to Google Public DNS. So once that's done, what you can do is come out of this, so you can just basically close this window off. And then next what you're going to want to do is come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner, give that a click, and then type network connections. So from here underneath best match you should have the view network connections come up, so you want to give that a click. And what you want to do on here, you're going to see some different connections. Now you want to actually click and select the one that has green bars. So the ones that have got like red crosses, they're not currently actively used, so you don't need to worry about those ones. One we want to focus on is, in my example, going to be this one. So what you want to do is right click onto this and then come down and click onto properties. Next, what you want to do is you're going to get a window like this where it says Wi-Fi properties, and you want to come down and click onto this one where it says Internet Protocol version 4. And once you've clicked onto that and it's highlighted, just come down and click onto properties. So what you want to do from here is basically we're going to change the DNS to match the Google Public DNS, and this should resolve the problem. To do this, if you look at this window at the bottom down here, what you're going to do is change obtain DNS server automatically to this one which says use the following DNS server addresses. So what we now want to do is put the DNS server address for the Google Public DNS, which in the preferred DNS server is just 8888. And underneath where it says alternative, what you want to put into here is 8844. Once that's done, just go ahead and click OK, and then you can close this down, come out of this, and what you can then do is restart your computer, and if you try and load up Roblox, that should hopefully resolve the problem. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.